I'm going to show you how to disable jumping in Roblox Studio. It's very easy to do. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel. The first thing you need to do after opening Roblox Studio is open the Explorer tab. If it's not already visible, just click on Window and then click on Explorer, or press Alt-X on your keyboard. This will open the Explorer panel, just like you can see here. Inside the Explorer panel, you need to look for the StarterPlayer folder and expand it. After selecting StarterPlayer, go to the Properties tab. And again, if the Properties tab is not showing up, just do the same thing as before, but this time enable the Properties window instead. Once the Properties tab is open, scroll down until you find the Character Jump Settings section. Here, what you need to do is change the jump height option to 0. This will prevent your character from being able to jump. To make sure everything is working correctly, just click on Play. Now when you press the spacebar, the character will no longer jump. And that's how you disable jumping in Roblox Studio.